Welcome to Social Proofy. I'm gonna show you how to set up Social Proofy on your SamCart product page. First of all, create your free account on Social Proofy. Download your SamCart product link on Social Proofy. Don't forget to enable the Include Subdomains option. Now copy your unique pixel code. Add this code to the header area of your SamCart product page and save. Make sure everything works correctly by verifying the pixel code. You are now ready to create the first widget and boost your sales. Click on New Notification and choose a widget you want to use. Customize the widget as you want and activate its status. That's it. You can use all widgets this way. Thank you for choosing us.